Hello guys, Vintage Man on Sunday, and today we're making some famous I am crispy goreng because Bapak di sini merah putih. Saya tinggal di Bali 13 tahun. Saya suka Indonesia. And for the Westerners, this is crispy chicken, fried. All right, so I had some leftover. If you followed my shorts, I had some leftover stuff from last night. So we're going to use it because Vintage Man cooks on a budget and everything is handmade. No packet crispy things. So we'll try this out, yeah? And we're going to grate some turmeric in it to give that yellow nice color. All right, so we'll see how we go, yeah? Don't try this at home, guys. Wait, I'm losing things. So wow. Vintage Man's got ADHD. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Turmeric. Give it that nice yellow colour. There's probably about 200 grams of chicken in there. And I'll have it with noodles. So watch this, guys. Makes it easy. Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out. Vintage Man's in town. Praise the Lord. Look at the guns. Woo! Not bad for an old man. So we'll cut some onion in here. It's Balinese. What do we call it? Balinese organic spring onion. 4K for this. I'll get heaps of dishes out of this. So that, yeah. So just like that. All right, and we'll put some dried chili. Here with me. Yeah, he will never fail. Voila. All right, this is not going to be a short. This is going to be what do you call it? I don't know what you're saying. A drop on YouTube? I'm new to this game, so knead it in. Wet mix first, then put the dry in. And why I put the turmeric in, it'll make it get nice and yellow. Yeah. And when you do it like this with the dry mix, I went online and fixed it. And Vintage Man fixed his computer today. I was telling you I can't edit. I'm teaching myself to edit. So expect wow videos soon. Okay, so there we go, guys. I haven't got my assistant, the Basti Sayang. Hello, Sayang. So hopefully she comes in one of the videos and helps me. I'll have to buy a tripod. The funds are tight at the moment, so here we go. But it's on a budget. So this 200 grams of chicken, it's 60K a kilo. So 200 grams is a fifth, that's 15K. The onions 4, turmeric nothing. So here we go. All right, at least you can see. This will take about, what, minutes to cook. And Vintage Man's got OCD, so he puts tissue all around. All right, here we go. This, guys. Look how simple it is. Simple. I'll show you, I'll put a whole dish together for you guys. Prove how thick and easy it is to eat healthy. Like, why would you go wrong? Vintage Man's wrong. The city. Bapak the city wrong. So we'll put out a competition when I get a little bit more followers, and I'll cook for you guys. Subscribe, like, and we'll do a cooking thing. If 2 people can come round, or 1 person. Sorry guys, I haven't got a tripod. I'm new to this online life. All right, so hands are clean. Ta-da. All right, and my thing is, I like to cook in under 5 minutes. And usually I cook 5 or 6 meals at once. I'll show you guys. They're in the fridge. So Vintage Man's are super. Wait, need a tripod. So Vintage Man is a clean freak, like a super clean freak. Before I sit down and eat, I like to have my kitchen clean. Saya tidak ada pembantu, because Vintage Man, sit at 1 until you guys make me famous. Like and subscribe. Sakarang. All right, chicken's nearly ready. Look how quick it is. Look, easy. All right, and we'll garnish it with this. So what? That's so simple. Cut it in a bowl with scissors. Don't even need a knife. Look. Where did Vintage Man learn these skills? Self-taught. Saya asli tinggal di Skotlandia. And then when I was anak, 13 tahun, tinggal di Australia, 3 tahun. And hi, my beautiful daughter Taylor. I'll show you her when she was a baby. She's going to be 32 next. And there's Vintage Man's mama. She won a modelling contest that day. She was 19, just had a child. Look at her. God bless her soul. She's not alive anymore. And my beautiful angel is going to be 32. It's been 7 days, and Vintage Man just reconnected with her after a year. We had this big argument, but now we're back. I love you, Taylor. Praise the Lord. The Lord brought us together. Thank you. All right, check this out, guys. Almost done. I've been, what do you call this thing? Vlogging, blocking, what it's called, for 5 minutes, 31 seconds. Right, and the famous. We've seen the Vintage Man fries. Well, this is going to be the famous guns on display. The famous Vintage Man chicken. So my channel, guys, is all about staying healthy and fit. Like, it's not too bad for an old bloke. Mindset, positive mindset. And regardless what happens, Vintage Man's going through hell at the moment. We won't talk about that because who cares? You guys don't care. Just want to see my food and Vintage Man cook and do. I praise the Lord in the morning. What is the time now? 9:05. So for you guys, I'm going to work out a set time. I'm going to vlog. Like do a proper, because I do shorts. I've been teaching myself online how to edit the videos better. And I didn't have a computer. So check this out, guys. I fixed it. I can't turn the phone around. So this computer I had for Sayang took me there to get this computer about 2 years ago. And I didn't write the passwords and that down. And it got locked. And I never touched it for 2 years. I can't use a computer. But I used to work in an office. So I've got a bit of a legal background. And I started playing with it 2 days ago. I've unlocked the Microsoft, set it all up, and the computer works perfectly. They told me at Microsoft, and Asus, you have to delete everything and reboot it. It's Vintage Man. The Enigma. All right, we're ready, guys. All right, we're ready, almost ready. I want to make it really crystal for you guys. So, and then when you cook, guys, when you cook with goreng, with minyak, yeah? I am. Strain it every time you use it, yeah? Like so, and put it in the bin. Like strain it. Why did Vintage Man? No, he's not a professional chef. He could be. So, you see me smoke cigars. So, hey, this is a great spot. Check this out. Yay, look at this. So, I don't know if any of you guys follow Spanian on YouTube. He's got 1 million followers. An ex-crim from Long Bay Jail in Sydney. Now is a famous YouTuber, like Vintage Man's going to be. So everything's vintage. Even I'm vintage. And even Dougie's vintage. Dougie's sick. I woke up this morning and there was 3 huge shits of food. I'm on the live, I can't swear. In my lounge room and a big pile of weed at 6 a.m. And Vintage Man's like, I'm like, with the tissues, and Dougie's just sitting there looking at me. And I'm like, Sandra, it's out of my control. Hand it over to the big man upstairs. So my channel's about from bad boy to believer. I'm not a militant Christian, but I believe in God. And every morning I wake up, I listen to worship music, and I have a little bit of praise, and I listen to it while I'm cooking, and when I get angry, because Vintage Man's got from my childhood. But we won't discuss that. It's not important. But we're nearly ready, guys. So what's that? Now I'm going to wash this bowl. See? What? This is how OCD Vintage Man is for cleaning. Every time I fry, I put tissues all around the place. Saya tidak suka banyak minyak. Ya tuh. That's going to be... Okay, so we're back on? Nothing else? Can't edit, guys. Sorry. So this is it. I'm going live soon. I go live on Facebook. I'll put all the links in. I'm learning the computer. I'm learning how to do this. This is all new to Vintage Man. So just bear with me, guys. Let's grow together with the channel. Yeah, let's grow. And you can say, I really got teary-eyed. I was one of his first subscribers. I saw him grow when he didn't have a clue what he was doing. Let's grow together, guys. God bless. Because we're going to get famous, all of them. I need my camera assistant, Sayan, the busty one, to inspire Vintage Man while he's cooking. Give me some. I said, I'm a man of God, aren't I? Ooh. Okay, here we go. Look, in Australia. All right. Here we go, guys. Watch how simple this is. How simple. Whoop, me dropped it in. It's only 9 o'clock. I've mopped the floors, serviced my koi pond, cooked for Dougie, she want to eat dog food, mopped up shit, and now I'm doing fried chicken for you guys. To show you how easy it is. So 10 minutes in, guys, and I'm talking to you guys, so I'm wasting so much time. Alright, here we go. Wait. Alright. Here I am to say that you're my God. Roll together. Here we go, guys. Alright, this is only going to be a short, what do you call it? 15. It's only small because it's a lunch. I eat 5 meals a day. I think Vintage Man's got the guns. Alright, hang on, guys. Wait, I'll get you back. But it's garnished, yeah? So hang 5, guys. Alright, no, I can't. Look, OCD, you have to see it. So all I'm doing, guys, is garnishing it with black pepper. This lasts for 6 months, 8 months. The Balinese organic spring onions. And then dried chili. We're out of this, but we've got another bag. And that's it. Done. And always chia seeds on top. These are superfood, guys. Low cholesterol, good for the heart, and good for the stomach. Everything Vintage Man's 6-pack, yeah? It's not bad. Alright, so a bit on the top, make it look squirty, and it's healthy. And it looks good. And we might grate some ginger, fresh ginger on the top. Vintage Man, Sakit. Oh no, I'm Sakit Kabbalah, but I'm not. I'm an enigma. I'll grate some fresh ginger on the top. Good for you guys. Here we go, guys. And I don't use sauce, guys, but you can use sauce. But stay away from the sauces. They're pre-packaged rubbish. Natural food. All right, so. All right, ta-da! So check this out, guys. I can't spin the camera around, so. Now, 1 second. One sec. Boom! Vintage Man while he listens to worship music. I can't spin the camera around. So there you go, guys. The famous Vintage Man fried chicken with fresh ginger, fresh garlic, chili, chia seeds, no salt, and I made my own flour, and white's yellow, I grated turmeric in it. And that, guys, can't do it anyway. That, guys, cost me not even 15k. And up I go block, I'm all warong. I just proved that you can eat healthy for peanuts. And this is another little tip. Alright, I know I haven't got it. See, look, I've already meal prepped. Look, say do a digger. I've got, look. That's what I do. Tilok and the famous Vintage Man fries. Right? So this is, I don't eat big, but I eat frequently. So I Vintage Man, it's 56 on Christmas Eve. Still looks good. And this is, I'll show you. I cooked this yesterday. So I've got 4 meals in the fridge. And you can't eat super healthy all day, so I have a bit of the fried chicken. Now what's this? Tawi noodles, chicken liver, superfood, the Vintage Man chia seeds, tawi noodles, tempeh. Yeah, the same. I use the same herbs and spices on every meal. All I use, fresh ginger, what do you call it? Dried chili, no salt, black pepper crushed, and a little bit of turmeric, and that's it. I'll use minyak. Can't afford olive oil all the time from deep frying. All right, guys, this is it. This is Vintage Man telling you and proving to you, I cooked that in under 10 minutes and vlogged, that you can eat healthy for cheap. Mura, lipi mura. Because Vintage Man, palet. That is Scotlandia. That's Scottish, palet. Palet's a pali. So, guys, there you go. Vintage Man's famous, soon to be famous. Let me rephrase that. Ayam crispy goreng, or for you Westerners, fried chicken, mate. All right, guys. Peace. Love you all. It's Sunday. Guide you. Here I am to say that you're my God. You're all together, worthy, all together, wonderful. Oh, he sings too fast. He's got ADHD. And here's Dougie the dog. Suck it. Anjin, suck it. Did you poo on the floor? Who pooed on the floor today? Did you poo on the floor? No, Papa's not happy. How many poos did you do? It's Dougie's Pitbull. I've had her for 10 years. She's going to be on the channel. Sit. Who pooed on the floor? Was it you? Well, I'll give you a smack. Can't poo on the floor, can you? And do you know why she poos on the floor? Because when I let her out in the morning, she eats sampa. Kamu suka sampa, yeah? And I cook her pasta every morning with dog food. All right, guys. Me and Dougie, we're out. Have an awesome Sunday, guys. God bless you guys. Praise the Lord.